it's me again, Kenna, and welcome to my channel!
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner, I put that on my family. London town, I represent, address me as your majesty.
For today's video, I miss sitting in front of a camera para sa ating YouTube channel. Yet, I am active sa TikTok and Instagram, I admit it. Pero ayan, nagbabalik ang ating mga sit-down videos. And may utang ako sa inyong favorites video. So ngayon gagawa na lang ako ng makeups that I can't live without. So ito yung mga products na nagamit at ginagamit ko pa rin until now, since last year. So let's start first with primer. I have two primers lang, and ito yung isa. This is Careline Instant Filter Pore Refining Primer. I must say, parang katulad siya ng Maybelline Babe Skin. Very effective siya sa pagtago ng mga pores natin. Though, huwag niyo siyang asahan pagdating sa grip. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, meron pa akong isang primer, pero I opted to always use and get this. This is my recent discovered foundation. Pero matagal na siya sa market. It's such that ngayon ko lang siya tinry. Ito yung Detail Fresh Filter Natural Finish Foundation. Unang gamit ko pa lang dito, sobrang... Na-miss nyo ba yung mga tilaok ng manok? Anyway, unang gamit ko pa lang dito sa Detail Fresh Filter ay ang Flawless. Yun talaga yung unang pumasok sa utak ko na best description sa foundation na to. Yung itsura niya, meron din siyang pump lock na kapag tinanggal nyo, of course, pwede nyo nang mapump ng maayos yung product. Maganda talaga siya, guys. If hindi nyo ba natatry, ano pang hinihintay nyo, itry nyo na. Kung gusto nyo gawan ko siya ng video here sa YouTube, comment down below. For concealers, I have two favorite concealers. First one is itong Careline Acne Spot Concealer. Although, yes, hindi maganda yung coverage nito, but what I love about this is yung amoy niya. Amoy tea tree oil kasi siya, or yung usual gamot for acne spot. Kapag meron akong malaking tigyawat to gusto kong takpan, ito talagang ginagamit ko kasi I know na kapag meron akong active pimple and ginamitan ko nitong Careline, hihilom at magiging kalmado na yung tigyawat ko na yun. For those times na gusto ko naman talaga ng coverage at wala akong gustong takpan na acnes, ginagamit ko yung concealer version ng Detail Fresh Filter. Sa foundation, I am in the shade Almond. Sa Careline, I am in the shade Oriental. And dito sa Detail Fresh Filter Concealer, I am in the shade Creme or Cream. Just like sa foundation, walang creasing under my eyes, perfect coverage, lightweight sa pakiramdam, and matagal lang inaabot niya sa skin ko. I have two powders, isang setting powder at isang pressed powder. For the pressed powder, although this is not my favorite, but I opted get this always. Sa dinami-dami ng pressed powder ko, siya talaga yung ginagamit kong pang-retouch kapag ako ay nag-film for TikTok, IG, and YouTube. For example, medyo nakikita ko na oily na ako, I go for this. Meron pa akong isang favorite na powder, kaso nandun siya sa work bag ko. Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Favorite ko siyang dalhin anywhere. Kahit hindi sa work, kahit lalabas, kakain, magta-travel, siya talaga yung daladala kong pressed powder. Kasi magaan lang siya sa mukha, and hindi siya cakey, hindi rin siya kakak yung coverage. For the loose powder naman, this is my favorite. This is Squad Cosmetics Air Fix Loose Fixing Powder in the shade Colorless. Sa dinami-rami rin ng loose powder ko dito, ito yung lagi kong kinukuha. Walang something special sa kanya, pero ang pinakagusto ko is whenever nalapat ko na siya sa under eyes ko using a powder puff, yung nauso sa TikTok before, ang Flawless ng under eyes ko. If you guys would ask me if I do still baking, sometimes. Bihira ko na lang siyang gawin, unlike before. Kasi mas gusto ko na yung dewy, alam mo yun, mas gusto ko na yung ganong klase ng makeup look. For my brows, I have two products here. The first one is the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Brow Lift. Ito yung old packaging nila. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung katumbas nitong old brow lift nila sa brow lift na meron sila ngayon sa market. My favorite part about this is meron siyang for groom, which is hindi ko masyadong nagagamit kasi lagi akong nagla-laminate. Nakakatulong to keep my eyebrows still intact after a long day, especially kapag nag-on-site ako sa work. Ito yung ginagamit ko, and until makauwi ako sa bahay, nakatayo pa rin yung mga brows ko. Ang partner ko sa Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Brow Lift is itong Detail Super Fine Liner. Super duper favorite ko siya kasi nakikita niyo naman na ang nipis-nipis niya, girl. First time kong magkaroon ng ganitong kanipis na brow pencil in my whole life, and I would never ever regret. Namimik niya yung eyebrow hair. Out of all mascaras that I have tried from the time na hindi nyo na ako masyadong nakikita dito sa YouTube, ito yung mascara ang binalik-balikan ko. I have my second bottle of this mascara already kasi yung isa natuyo na siya. So, I have to get another one. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi to nagiging maingay, pero gusto ko talaga siya. Ito yung Shawil Amazing Curls Mascara. Hindi niya naka-clump. Yung lashes ko, ito yung mascara na ginagamit ko for work. Even if mag-shoot ako, natalo niya pa yung ibang brands na well-known when it comes to mascara. For the blush, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong blush na maski kapag nagta-travel, ito rin yung dala-dala ko. This is the Everbilena Pillow Pop Cream Blush. Ayan. Specifically in the shade Dream Coral. I have 3 shades of this, pero ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi it's perfect coral, orange, pink shade of blush for me. Not too pigmented. Pwede rin mo rin siyang gamitin sa eyelids, sa cheeks, and sa lips. For highlighter, ay, wala pa rin tatalo. Alam ko, ang tagal na nito, pero ang dami pa rin niya kasi, and still my favorite highlighter. Don't judge me. This is the Club Clio Prism Air Highlighter. And to think na araw-araw ko siyang ginagamit, siya nga ang gamit kong highlighter today. Pero girl, parang walang nagbabago sa itsura niya. I got it sa Yes Style. I don't know if this is still available in the market, but still, I love this. Next is setting spray. Kuha ko na yung hype dito sa TikTok kasi iba hindi effective to. Sa akin, effective and okay naman yung performance niya. What I love about this is yung smell. Smells like a coconut, but the performance is superb. When it comes to longevity, yes, napapatagal niya talaga yung makeup sa mukha ko. Magme-makeup ako 4 AM, makauwi ako around 9 PM, and still, my makeup still intact. Mga travels, siya rin yung dinadala ko kasi magaan lang. Nasa last category na tayo ng aking favorites. So first is itong Vaseline Lip Therapy. Alam nyo na to, napakatagal ko nang ginagamit to. Next is itong Squad Cosmetics Flower Lip Oil. Even my boyfriend ginagamit to kasi moisturizing talaga siya and hindi siya sticky sa labi. Next is the Natural OB/MP Matte Stain in the shade Urduha. Perfect shade, perfect brown for me. Hindi ganun ka-dark, hindi rin ganun ka-light. This is my go-to nude shade. Next, I have here the mini color tint in the shade Maddie. Gusto ko siya hindi dahil sa shade, although yes, maganda yung shade niya. Meron silang difference ni Urduha. Si Urduha kasi is brown. Si Maddie naman medyo pink, red, brownish color. What I love about this is since mini siya, kasyang-kasya siya sa mga maliliit kong bags. And last products, I think this is my most favorite product, lip product. This is the Everbilena Plus Serum Tinted Lip Balm in all shades. I have the all shades of this, and these are my favorite. Lahat to ginagamit ko, lahat to nagagamit ko, at gagamitin ko rin tong lahat ng to sa mga susunod pang araw. So this is Bloom, yung reddish sa kanila. Next, I have here the shade Naked. Ito naman medyo pinkish lighter shade. Next is Toast of New York. Toasted orange brown ang color niya. And lastly, my favorite shade is Latte. Perfect nude brown tinted lip balm for me. Kapag suot ko siya sa lips, parang wala lang akong suot. And there you go. Those are my favorite makeups or the makeups that I can't live without. Don't worry guys, we will be more active na dito sa YouTube. Gusto ko nang magbalik loob sa YouTube and make makeup videos for you guys. Pero kung sakaling hindi, active ako sa Instagram and sa TikTok. As usual, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you want to binge watch my YouTube videos, click here or here. That's all, and again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. See you guys on my next video. Bye!
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't